Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on offensive phrases and words on Instagram Threads easy and quick. If you want to turn it off, if you want to turn it on, all you have to do first open Instagram Threads and now go to your profile. After that click these two lines here in the top corner and then go to privacy and then go to hidden words, and here you will find this one, offensive words and phrases. You can turn it on just by one click and then go back. Now let's make sure that it will be saved, and as you see it will be saved. All you have to do just go back without clicking save or something like that. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.